believe you already know the different types of hazard and the different example of hazard. So get one more sheet of paper for a short quiz. Okay, so don't forget to write your name and section at the top of your paper. Okay, so identify what hazard is being illustrated in the situation below. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer them. Two minutes more. Are you done, class?
Not yet. Okay, so Wait lang.
pass your paper. Sa count of 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Yes. So, do you have any question about our lesson?
Sige. Oo.
Okay. So, get your notebook and write your assignment. For your assignment, do the activity on page 28. Do the activity on page 28 of your manual and write your answer in a 1/2 crosswise. Nakuha ba, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's all for today. Goodbye, class. Bye.